Hello everyone. Today I invite everyone because I want to discuss about our startup project that we talked about it last week. This is about the cashier cell. Nowadays, we turn to using the cashier cell more than before.
So, what is leclanchéeie, by the way?
The leclanchéeie cell is a type of battery that was invented in 19th century. It was created by Georges Leclanché, a French engineer, in 1866. The cell consists of zinc electrode, a carbon electrode, and a mixture of manganese dioxide and carbon powder as a cathode. The Leclanché cell has a limited capacity and was prone to corrosion, which reduced its lifespan. However, it was inexpensive to produce and provide a steady flow of electricity for a decent amount of time. It became popular due to its convenience and practicality. Over time, the Leclanché cell was slowly replaced by more advanced battery technologies, such as alkaline batteries and lithium-ion batteries. However, its legacy as one of the earliest practical batteries paved the way for the development of modern portable power sources. For the construction of Leclanché cell, the Leclanché cell consists of following parts. It consists of crushed manganese dioxide, which is packed in porous pot. A carbon rod is inserted in this porous pot, which acts as a cathode. There is a zinc rod which acts as an anode, which is immersed in the solution of ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride acts as an electrolytic solution, which permeates through the porous pot to make contact with the cathode. The carbon rod is fed in metal cap and the cell is sealed so that the moist paste does not die.
Here is how the people use it. Telegraph. It helps send a message over long distance by providing electricity to telegraph machine. Early phone. Before the modern battery, it powered some of first telephone, making it possible to talk to people far away. Doorbell and alarm. People use it to make doorbell ring and set off alarm because it lasted a long time and was reliable. Science gadgets. Scientists use it to power their instruments and experiments because it gives a steady amount of electricity. Train signal is was used to write up signal and controlling along train track, making it safer for train to travel. The Leclanché cell was handy for running all sorts of electrical stuff back in the old day. It helping to make communication and technology better.
I know one type of that, the mercury cell. During Second World War, mercury batteries were the most powerful power source of many small portable electronic devices, such as calculator, watches, hearing aids, digital thermometer, toys, in the shape of like a button or coin, and the large appearance like walkie-talkie. However, the former President of the United States signed into law the Battery Act on May 13, 1996. The main object of the law was to reduce a heavy metal in the environment like groundwater, stream, and municipal waste. Due to this act, the popularity of the mercury battery got reduced. The mercury cell is a type of primary cell which is non-reusable and non-rechargeable. Thus, if the electric cell produces current by irreversible chemical reaction. In a mercury cell, the mercury compound acts as a cathode where a reduction reaction occurs, and the zinc compound acts as an anode where an oxidation reaction takes place. Sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide is used as an electrolyte that ionizes in a molten state to conduct electricity. Even though mercury cells were very popular during Second World War due to economic factors and environmental risk factors, they have been replaced by other dry cells.
This storage battery is the oldest type of rechargeable battery and the most common energy storage device. These batteries were invented in 1859 by French physicist Gaston Planck, and it is mostly used in vehicles. First, we will look about the structure that is on this picture. So this picture, you can see the red and blue plate. The red plate is the lead oxide, which is cathode, and the blue one that is a lead, it is anode. So these two are plates in the electrolytes that is uh, the sulfuric acid. So how it works and react, you can see from this formula. So this formula shows the anode formula and cathode formula. From the anode formula, it is an oxidation, and the cathode formula is the reduction. I have an idea. What about a bomb, an explosion, something like that? I heard a news that the throw out battery in the bin, then the rain is fall down and kind of like acting to it, so it has a explosion. How about we make a mine explosion, something like that?
I think about the mine explosion. It's very high cost to make the experiment and buy a mine. We can't afford it because we just and startup, and it's so dangerous to test our product before using.
I have an idea to present that is flashlight calculator. Normally calculators use battery, but we just use battery to light the flashlight as well. So we can use the battery in many ways, for example in dark place. What do you all think about my idea?
Ah, it kind of interesting, but I mean, why would we like have a calculator and then have a flashlight? Why we have our own flashlight or like a lamp or something like that? I think it's a bit not interesting that much. That can attract the customer to buy our product. So, sorry.
How about the Type-S charger, which is really sized perfectly for your charging socket and capability, which can instantly charge your smartphone or wireless device to 100%. Not only that, this charger is one use. It's very convenient for such an events as emergency situations, camping, or somewhere that has no electricity.
That's great idea. But if you want to create such an innovation like that, I think first thing that we need to consider is how can we make it to be a fast charger than the normal charger or power bank? Actually, I have some ideas about that. Do you guys still remember about concept of catalyst?
Kind of forget about it.
Nope.
Okay, no one. So a catalyst is a substance that we add to the system to make the chemical equation process faster. I think I will let you see this picture for more understanding. You can see that the reaction with catalyst can occur easier because the catalyst reduces required energy to perform product of the reaction. So if we can find some suitable catalyst, we can add that one to the leclanchéeie cell and faster the electric charging. As far as I have researched, hydrogel might be the best choice for now because it has a characteristic of polymer structure to absorb significant of water and physical stability. It also has a good ionic conductivity, which is an electrical conductivity due to the motion of ionic charge in this polymer structure. So it might work if we use it to increase the rate of charge to move and increase the efficiency of electricity providing. I've seen a research about hydrogel leclanchéeie cell that was developed to create some reliable electrochemical power supply. And the research team, they also state that hydrogel batteries have higher energy density compared to graphite batteries.
Because we should care about the environment, so I want to make our packets can be decomposed. So I chose polypropylene or PP as the package. It is the plastic that can be decomposed. It has melting point at 160 to 100 Celsius. And it is an excellent resistant to dilute and concentrate acids and alcohol. When submerged in the water, it is the water-repellent plastic. PP has good resistance to environment stress cracking.
For now, this fire charger would have four models, suitable for lighting USB-C, micro USB, and USB-A, and we would like to develop more in the future.
For the price, from calculating materials to make a profit per piece, I think we should set the price for 89 bahts per piece. And I think setting price with number 9 ending with is so auspicious. Do you
Okay.
agree?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, so now we already have a conclusion. Thank you everyone for participating in this meeting.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
See you soon.
Okay, see you on the design of the project.
In the end, they got bankrupt.